Here we've got in Photoshop one of our terrain texture files. It's currently a rectangle, and it's also going to have some issues once we crop it with tiling with hard seams. So if we look at the image resolution, right now it's a 9000 by 4500 pixel image. We need it to ultimately be 4K, meaning 4096 by 4096 pixels. First thing we need to do is crop it. I'm going to go over here in my tool palette. If you don't see a tool palette, make sure you go to Window, Workspace, Photography, and if you still don't see it, try Window, Workspace, Reset Photography. So the crop tool is over here at the top left. We're going to scroll down, click Crop Tool. If you don't automatically have a square ratio selected, it's going to let you crop to kind of any ratio you want. So we're going to go up here to this drop down ratio, click 1 by 1 square, and find a region of the texture that we're interested in. Let's say something like that, and I'm going to click OK. You can do that up here in the checkbox. You can double click or you can hit enter. So let's now make sure that our resolution is within that 4096 by 4096 or larger. So it is 4351 by 4350. So let's make sure it's 4096 by 4096. If, when you're changing those numbers, I'll restart that just so you can see. If you're changing these numbers and they're changing together, for some reason, we've got something other than a square here. It's 4096 by 4095. If you have this little, kind of looks like a chain icon clicked where it's going to be darker and these two brackets are pointing to the width and the height, that means that it's constraining the ratio. If you change one number, it's going to change the other one with it. So I'm going to uncheck that in this case and change this to 4096. So we need it to exactly be 4096 by 4096. If it's a pixel off, it will cause some problems when we ultimately bring these into 3D software. The resample mode is going to be set to automatic, and we'll hit OK.